walk your hands to the front of the mat, shifting your weight. And just allow your hips to rest onto the mat. Allow your toes to relax and allow your hips also to relax down into the floor. If this is a bit hard and it's straining your back, gently just bend your elbows so that your hip is comfortable on the floor. From here, gently look up to the ceiling, roll the shoulders back, going into your cobra pose. You'll almost feel the stretch right from your chin all the way down to the pelvic region, especially on the belly. Stretching it out and staying here for another 3. Remembering to breathe. For 2. Last little breath here. And for 1. Slowly bring your head back and gently bend your elbows. From here, slowly look towards your right heel, almost like you want to spot your toes. And then you'll feel this nice stretch on the left side of the body. Stay here for a few counts. Good. And slowly come back to center and move into the opposite side. So bending your left elbow, look to the left heel. And if that's easy, you can even look towards the left thigh. Stretching the entire right side of the body, staying here for 2 and for 1, and slowly coming back to center, straightening the elbows, looking up to the ceiling, and then gently bringing your chest down to the earth. You can adjust so that you're at the center of the mat. Take a minute here to just lie down, catch your breath if you've lost it.
So begin by sitting in Vajrasana, and what you want to do is basically stand onto your knees and widen your legs really nice. So before moving on to the actual posture, you need to warm up your back. So for that, bring your palms facing down, your fingers facing down onto the back of your hip, and slowly inhale first and exhale, slowly push your hips forward and slowly look up. And again, inhale, back to center. Couple of times more. Inhale, exhale, push your hips forward, then back, and again inhale, back to center. And this time we are going to move on to the actual posture. So inhale, exhale, pushing your hips forward and slowly bringing your arms to your ankles and arch back. To release the posture, inhale and relax in child's pose.